You know that feeling of, I'm in the right place. Now, God speaks in many languages. If you see, God doesn't only speak through words. Like, He doesn't verbally, when you hear Him, it's not somebody that will speak clearly like me now. Sometimes He speaks through visions. A vision in the night or during the day. Sometimes He speaks through dreams. Sometimes He speaks through impressions. And sometimes He speaks through peace. You know that feeling of, I'm in the right place. And God is saying, I'm at peace. So we are literally in different ways that we hear God. Some of us can hear God by just having some sort of a feeling. And the feeling, sometimes you ask, wow, why am I feeling so good? Knowing God is at that moment there. So God has a grammar. God has a language. God has a tone. He speaks through it. So there's just something that we need to understand, is that we need to learn the patterns of the Spirit. So when we learn the patterns of the Spirit, it's easier to understand. So God's voice is a tone that carries His peace, not pressure. His peace, not pressure.